You are enjoy watching I Love My Body TV, health and beauty tips for all. Hi friends, how are you? I pray to God for you to be healthy. This is your favorite channel, the channel that gives you useful health and beauty tips. Okay, watch this video about how to get glowing skin naturally at home. Tips number 10. Your face gives the very first impression about you, and many of us are very much aware of the fact that first impression is utmost important. In addition, your radiant and glowing face will assure that your very first impression is positive one, and home remedies for glowing face will help you to maintain a healthy radiant face. Moreover, it is quite simple to understand that many of us will choose a shortcut by applying the cosmetics that are easily available in market. But one may not be sure that the cosmetics available in the market are safe, because many money-oriented companies will misguide us by advertising only the positive side of applying cosmetics, and they cleverly cover up the side effects of the cosmetics. The home remedies for glowing face is both effective and free from any kind of side effects. Our skin is the largest organ of the body, which covers us from head to toe. Moreover, maintaining a healthy skin is what it takes for a refulgent face, and home remedies for glowing face have helped our ancestors to look stunning beautiful. In addition, a healthy skin does not need any beautician or medical treatment by professional. There are many homemade remedies for treating the skin of our face, but few very effective home remedies for glowing face are mentioned ahead to serve the purpose. 1. Mix 2 teaspoons of curd with juice, half cup orange juice. For a few minutes, gently massage your face with this mixture in upward direction. Let the mixture dry, and then wash with cold water. This remedy is particularly helpful for normal skin. 2. Take the white of an egg, beat it thoroughly, and apply it on your face. Wash with water after it dries. This remedy will help to delay wrinkles, and it will also tighten the skin of people with normal skin. 3. Take juice of half a cucumber, and apply it on your face. Let it dry, and then, wash your face with water. This remedy will be very effective on oily skin. 4. Take 3 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds, and soak them in water overnight. Next morning, grind it into a paste. Apply it on your face, and let it dry. Wash with water, and pat dry. This remedy will remove excess oil from skin. 5. Take a banana, and mash it. Add 2 teaspoons of honey in it to form a paste. Apply it on your face, and let it dry. Afterwards, wash with cold water. This remedy will moisturize your skin, and it is especially beneficial for dry skin. 6. Massage your face with raw milk. It will help to retain the lost moisture of the skin. 7. GOL. Den Glow Capsule is an Ayurvedic herbal supplement made up of proven and time-tested herbs to improve color, complexion, and skin tone naturally. In conclusion, the above-mentioned home remedies for glowing face are very effective in keeping your face youthful and radiant. In addition, drink lots of water every day to keep your skin moisturized naturally. Moreover, water will help your body to get rid of toxins effectually. Also, it is recommended to work out regularly for at least 30 minutes. The studies show that exercising not only helps to keep us fit, but it also helps to keep our skin healthy and youthful. It will be easier for you to achieve radiant glow in your face when you will pair these 2 simple tips with the mentioned home remedies for glowing face. Argan oil has been used in Morocco for centuries for its health and cosmetic benefits. Its beneficial effects have been discovered recently by the modern cosmetic industry. Josie Maran argan oil is 100% pure and is loaded with vitamin E and essential fatty acids. The oil is cold pressed to ensure its best quality. Josie Maran argan oil has remarkable moisturizing, healing, and anti-aging properties that help to keep your skin soft, young, and glowing. It also replenishes damaged hair, leaving it soft and silky. As argan oil is edible, it is safe to use on any type of skin. Josie Maran argan oil helps prevent your skin from the damages caused by the sun, pollution, stress, and harsh weather. It penetrates deeply into the skin, keeping it hydrated. Josie Maran brand offers a range of beauty products that are pure and gentle. Argan oil from Josie Maran is 100% pure, which nourishes your skin and hair. As it is lightweight, you can use it as a daily moisturizer. Applying a few drops of argan oil all over your face can help give your skin that extra hydration to diminish dryness, rough patches, and wrinkles. Josie Maran argan oil helps reduce fine lines in your skin and under your eyes. It moisturizes the skin deeply and reduces or prevents dry skin conditions. It also helps heal acne scars and blemishes. It controls sebum production in the skin, which causes acne. Hence, applying Josie Maran Argan Oil revitalizes your skin, making you look beautiful and young. It is easily absorbed by your skin and it does not leave any ugly residues, so it is ideal for daily use. Organic argan oil from Josie Maran is safe enough to apply on your baby's soft, delicate skin to treat dryness and redness. It is also safe for pregnant women. Applying the oil over your stomach area during pregnancy can help prevent stretch marks. It is ideal for allergic and sensitive skin also. Josie Maran Argan Oil is not only good for face and skin, but it also offers plenty of benefits to your hair. It penetrates your hair shafts and stimulates hair growth. It moisturizes the hair naturally and prevents dry scalp and hair dryness. It strengthens hair roots, making your hair strong and luscious. Applying a few drops of Josie Maran Argan Oil over your hair and massaging with your fingertip can help you get rid of frizzes, split ends and other hair problems. Going herbal is always safe when it comes to remedies, and this is applicable to skin care remedies as well. Chandra Prabha Adhan is one of the effective herbal skin care face packs. When talking about face pack for glowing skin, going herbal can be the safe and ideal remedy. The reason is that the herbal remedies are made out of natural ingredients that do not cause any side effects. Here comes Chandra Prabha Adhan for achieving a glowing skin. This herbal skin care face pack, as the name implies, can help the users in achieving a moon-like face. This means that they can get bright and glowing skin, which will help them keep away from any sort of makeup products. When they do not use any chemical-based makeup products, they will in turn achieve the best and ideal results for effective skin care. Why use Chandra Prabha Adhan? This herbal skin care FACE pack can bring the following benefits to make sure that the users can get a flawless skin. 1. It can provide impressive sparkling appearance to the face. 2. It can provide energy to the aging skin. 3. It can provide vivacious energy and of course glowing skin. 4. It can relieve wrinkles and black patches clearly. 5. It can provide relief from blemishes, pimples and acne. 6. It will help in cellular regeneration. 7. It is found that an imbalance in the pH level can bring ill effects to the skin. This imbalance will be rectified with this face pack for glowing skin. 8. In addition to curing blemishes, it will also prevent them as well. Is this remedy meant for face alone? No, even though this is stated to be the effective face pack for glowing skin, it can be used in other parts of the body that is exposed to the sun as well. The reason is that these parts generally get darker quickly as compared to the covered parts of the body. Is it safe to use? There need not be any worry about the safety of this product, as it is the herbal skin care face pack. Also, the product is manufactured under GMP certified manufacturing setting in India, which is the land known for its effective Ayurvedic herbs around the world. All issues are addressed. This face pack for glowing skin can address different issues that can prevent people in achieving a glowing skin. For instance, it can help in removing pimples, acne and acne scars. It can also help in removal of black circles around the eyes, and it can provide relief from age-related spots that are common in people as age advances. Age-related issues include wrinkles, dark patches and dry look. Even, it can bring down the ill effects on the skin that are caused due to excessive use of chemical-based makeup products. In addition to these things, it can also bring down the effects of air pollution and can act as an excellent exfoliating agent for removal of dead skin cells. The best way to have healthy, glowing skin is to start from the inside out. Eliminating caffeine in the form of coffee and soda is one way to start. Caffeine dehydrates the body and skin, and lack of moisture is a sure way to create lines and wrinkles. It's also a diuretic, causing increased urine output, again depleting your body and skin of the moisture it needs. We try to combat this with moisturizers, but the better way is to put the moisture into your body, not on it. The best way to have healthy, glowing skin is to start from the inside out. Eliminating caffeine in the form of coffee and soda is one way to start. Caffeine dehydrates the body and skin, and lack of moisture is a sure way to create lines and wrinkles. It's also a diuretic, causing increased urine output, again depleting your body and skin of the moisture it needs. We try to combat this with moisturizers, but the better way is to put the moisture into your body, not on it. Drinking pure water, unprocessed fruit juices or coconut milk will give your body and skin the hydration it needs. The colors in fruit juices are the colors of the earth, and these colors will reflect themselves in warm and healthy skin tones. The overall effects of caffeine on your body will manifest themselves in your skin. Heavy caffeine drinkers can experience osteoporosis, headaches, depression, sleeplessness. These can all be reflected in your skin. When you replace colas, coffee and teas made with boiling water with water, fruit juices, sun tea, and coconut milk, you'll soon start to feel better and sleep better. Your skin will reflect the good health of all the organs and cells of your body. Once you've kicked the caffeine habit. Another reason for drinking pure water, juices and sun tea, is that when you boil water, you're releasing oxygen from it. When the body rids itself of toxins, it passes through the skin, which is the largest elimination organ. Raw food increases your detoxification rate. Drinking water helps the body rid itself of toxins. Seaweed is high in vitamins and minerals beneficial to the skin and also helps rid the body of toxins. To achieve a healthy complexion, drink plenty of water and eat plenty of raw food. What goes into your body is reflective in your overall appearance. Okay friends, like this video, share your friends, tell your comments the comment box. Click on the subscribe button below to see new videos. Also press the bell button. Read description for more information. Thanks for watching.